Hey judges, it's Mike checking in with video 3 for the compromised skin category, and I want to talk about Maggie's treatment. After we did her cleanse, I went in and exfoliated with a hydrating enzyme with papain, formulated at less than 1%. Papain only digests non-living cells, leaving healthy living cells intact. This reduces irritation and allows the barrier to recover. Papain is also rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which help soothe redness and calm inflamed skin. When inflammation is reduced and cell turnover is improved, the skin can reestablish natural healthy processes that support barrier repair. I left this mask on for about 8 minutes and then removed it. This softened the sebum and prepared me for extractions, which I did with cotton swabs just to gently extract and inhibit any potential post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation or irritation. After that, I swiped the extracted areas with an antibacterial, and then I went in with high frequency with an ozone plasma therapy. The device generates ozone, which affects the bacteria's cell membrane, ultimately causing the membrane components to be damaged, destroying both lipoproteins and lipopolysaccharides. This chain reaction causes the bacterial fungi to die within a short amount of time, reducing inflammation and visibly improving acne. Ozone is then reduced to oxygen after sterilization. The technology leaves no leftover waste or causes any new pollution. I followed up with red light therapy to penetrate deeper layers of the dermis, stimulating mitochondria in skin cells, boosting their energy production, and promoting various cellular processes. After 16 minutes of red light, I did about 15 minutes of cryotherapy. When applied to the skin, this technology constricts blood and lymphatic vessels. This constriction tones the vessels, which enhances overall circulation. This enhanced blood flow also creates a crucial role in strengthening the skin's immune response, which helps the skin fight off pathogens and repair itself more efficiently. This is great for combating the effects of external stressors, which can lead to inflammation. By controlling this inflammation, this can really help things like a compromised skin barrier. I finished the treatment off with a mineral sunscreen, and she left with some erythema on her cheeks, but I'm excited to see what her skin looks like next week.